Sometimes having a plan is the key when planning a trip or an event. Heck, even sports teams have plans. But sometimes things don't always go according to plan.
So we're here now at the Gold Coast Dive Center.
July 10th was one of those days we were gonna have to improvise for day 6 in Australia.
Yo, you hit the car though.
How do people even get up here?
No, you have to go slowly. You have to come.
No worries, because we have full coverage. Serious, pick that up.
What does it? What difference does it make?
It's no, you can't do that to the environment, dude. It's really bad.
All right, give me a second.
That's
Let me finish
really
first.
bad. Pick it up. Imam just threw a cigarette packet there, and he has to pick it up. We had to save the environment. This dude just littered.
We don't accept any form of littering, Imam.
Okay, pick that up.
It's not your country. Pick it up.
That's right.
Dude, I swear to God. Dude, you happy?
I was wondering what animal you're watching. And
No, we're picking up garbage because we gotta save the environment.
I swear to God, if I...
Good job, Imam.
Dude, you're not putting that in the vlog.
Alright, so we've made it here to the wake park. Our plans are a little all over the place, guys. We did not know where we were gonna go today. We ended up deciding to go here, and now we're ready to start this extreme sport. I've never done this before in my life. Hopefully it's gonna be fun. Ibrahim swears by it.
We just arrived. After this, we're probably gonna go to the... I forgot. It's not Marvel. Like DC... Warner Brothers theme park. But for now, we're gonna go here. We're gonna come. We're gonna get some sick shots, and we're gonna have a ton of fun. The price is like 65, I think. Well, we saw online. But let's hope it's sick. This kid's trying to put it on. It's super tight on all of us.
This thing makes me look thick. Oh, okay, no it doesn't. It makes me look tiny as hell. I kind of want to wear this all the time now. I want to go to sleep in this. Oh, that's the male toilet. It is open. Oh. Oh, that was a dude. Why would I even say anything? All right.
You might be thinking at this point, man, these guys must be waterbenders or something. But in actuality, none of those guys were us. Not this guy, not this guy, not this guy. This was us.
So guys, we're done wakeboarding, as you can see from the videos that we just took. And it was a lot harder than we thought it would be. We thought we would stand up on the boards and do it. It would be easy, but it wasn't easy. We ended up doing the knee boards the whole time. It was ridiculous. We're pretty bad at this stuff.
After having a quick bite, we made our way down the road to our final destination of the day, the Warner Brothers theme park.
Whoa! We're at this park right now. Wow!
Stop exposing me.
What are you doing, fam? Are you smoking some ciggies?
Stop exposing
Are you smoking some ciggies? The Imam asked me why I'm wearing a hat, and it's for an obvious reason. To represent. How do you not know this by now? You've been traveling with us for how many days now? Like, who are you? Do you have a channel?
I don't need a channel.
Oh! We did buy the tickets, so we're going in. Because the park is open till 8, so we're just like, screw it, you know, we got nothing to do. Let's go in. Let's ride whatever rides we can get, and let's just go. Alright guys, so we're done for tonight. We just finished riding with Superman. It went so fast, it's already nighttime. We need to head back. We need to go to Brisbane. We need to get a hotel tonight. And that's it for today's vlog. Peace, we out.